In today's Nature TGR episode 4, we are back. Northwind Indian College, Bachelor's of Arts Community Advocates in Responsive Education in Human Services Care. I'll let you guys read that, and you guys can pause the video. And we're gonna flip this around. Here we go. As you guys can see, we have even more information. You can also pause this and read it. Next card. We got Bachelor's of Science, Native American Environmental Science, NES. This is from the same thing. Oh my lord, sorry. Come on this side, and there's credits. And last one, and then we'll start episode 5. Bachelor's of Arts in Native Studies, Leadership, other fun jazz. We'll go to the other side for their credits. Guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in episode 5.